friends! So today we're going to be doing something I'm actually really excited to be doing. I have a lot, by the way, if you didn't see yesterday's video, my wrist is sprained. So I am going to be doing this. It shouldn't be in this for too long, but I sprained my wrist trying to move a couch. So today we are going to be starting a new sort of thing on my channel that I'm really excited about. I'm gonna call it Tutorial Tuesday because I'm super original, but I just have a lot of palettes, and I know most of you don't really watch tutorials because they're kind of overdone and everything, but I would like to show you guys how to create different looks with different palettes. Some are old, some are new, some whatever, just to kind of give you my opinion on the palette and show you a look that I might create and maybe inspire you to create a look. So yeah, we're going to be doing that today, and I'm really excited to kind of show you guys my little Tutorial Tuesday. So let's get into it. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit, and I kind of wanted to start with, am I blurry? I'm blurry. I kind of wanted to start, all of my base makeup is already done. This is just going to be kind of an eyeshadow tutorial. I wanted to play around with this Prism palette. It's so dirty. I'm so sorry. These palettes are so hard to keep clean. The Prism palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which looks like this. This is just such a beautiful palette with really, really beautiful colors, but also like high-key kind of confusing colors. Like you're not really sure what you're, it kind of reminds me of the Kat Von D, where I look at this and I'm like, you're beautiful, but I don't know what to do with you. And I feel like other people might feel that way too. But I did do a look with it a little while ago that I loved. I was like obsessed with it. So we're gonna try and sort of recreate that look. I have my little color switch down here, which I swear by. I got this really, really, really cheap on Amazon, and this, I don't know how I lived my life before it. If you do your makeup a lot, that's like an essential. So what I'm gonna first start by doing is taking this big fat blending brush, and we're gonna dip into the shade Unity right here, and just kind of pick, it's like a, just like a yellowy, I already did set my eyes with, we're just popping this kind of all over the lid, mostly in the crease. I already set my eyes with a concealer and powder. I don't use eyeshadow setting powder, or I don't use eyeshadow primer. I kind of think it's like a waste of money. And then I think what I'm gonna do next, we're gonna go for a more cool toned look so I can play with like Dimension, the shade, and all of these really pretty blue sparkly shades. So I am gonna go into Lure, which is this purple shade right there. And we're just going to take the same exact brush we just used. I like to do that because I feel like it makes your eyeshadow blend a little bit better. I feel like there's a lot of assumptions made that people, just because makeup's now been around and it's been a lot more popular, that people just like know what they're doing. And I don't think that's true. I don't think everyone just magically kind of knows what they're doing. Even I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. I still watch tutorials, especially eyeshadow tutorials, because they're honestly the most fun with it. And I'm really building up that purple because this is kind of going to be the base for everything. And I want a really, really, really strong and bold base. Now, just to let you guys know, if you already follow my channel, you know this. I am not a makeup artist. I am not trained in makeup. This is all, I'm just like an average person who does her makeup, sometimes on the internet. And this is just like what I do. I get a lot of comments on my videos that are like, tutorial, we want a tutorial on this look. And I kind of was like, well, nobody really watches tutorials because they're kind of boring. But then I thought about it and I was like, wait, I do my makeup to do my sit down videos and my talking videos anyway. So why not every Monday just like film myself doing my eyeshadow look for that day? And then that'll first of all make me be more creative and force me to do something different, and also give you guys who do like tutorials, the few hundred of you that will watch this, what you want. So that's kind of what we're doing. All right, so now I'm gonna just go into that shade Eden, this more pink shade right here, and we're gonna do a more tapered blending. This one I swear is washed. I used like a red and it like stained the brush forever. So we're gonna take Eden, that pink shade, and we're just gonna put that more in the top part, almost like a halo eye situation. See how I'm just putting it in the top part of my crease? And kind of this part too. I call this side like the outer corner and this is the inner corner. We're kind of focusing this on the inner corner, and that's just to brighten it up, because when we start using all of these kind of darker colors, I want to make sure it doesn't get, I don't want to go for like a gothic look today or anything too crazy. Although I'm sad because this, if I just put like a pretty little shimmer, this would be so cute, but we'll do that another time. Yeah, I just have a lot of makeup that I would love to show you guys and test out for you guys. I think next week I'm going to be doing a tutorial Tuesday on the Kim Kardashian palette, because I did order it. I gaved. And if you guys want to see that, let me know down below if you want like a, I know probably by then everyone's going to have done one, but I also just kind of feel like, I don't know, I feel like that's still going to, I feel like a lot of people that do them, not that they're not genuine, but like obviously they get it for free. It's Kim Kardashian. You go to her house for the launch. Like, I don't know. I would feel weird saying something mean about it. We're going to go into the shade Dimension right here. And I just have a flat like packing brush, and I'm just going to go in. These shimmers are a little weird just because the formula is almost like a gel. I'm going to start kind of like, you know how we talked about outer corner and inner corner? I'm going to start at my outer corner and just start spreading and then packing on what I but if you're worried about that fallout, you can put a little bit of translucent setting powder under your eye and then just wipe that away and it'll help. I have a vision for this look. I'm just going to keep building up that pigment, and then I'll be right back to kind of show you guys the rest of what we're doing. Okay. Okay, so I just packed on, and you can kind of see there's a really defined line, but I'm going to take that same fluffy brush from before, dip into that Unity color we used before. People are going to tell you not to do this, but I personally think it makes it look a little bit better. And just kind of blend that top color a little bit more into that shimmer. So you have a little bit more of a not so harsh look. See, I really like how this is turning out though. This is a pretty palette. I wish I wasn't so confused by it. This shade right here, this white shade Lucid, it's a really pretty white cream, and we're going to put that on the inner corner where we didn't just put the purple. And again, this is going to be a lot of just packing on. I like to do 2 shimmer shades on my lid because I feel like it gives my eye a little bit more dimension and makes them look a little bit bigger. My eyes are a little closed sometimes. Okay, so that's actually pretty much it. I'm going to throw on my lashes. I'm not going to do a upper like liquid eyeliner today because I think this is a pretty like just surprisingly light look. I was going to put a little bit of black in to maybe define the crease, like this outer corner, and you definitely could do that if you want to make it a little bit smokier, but I'm not doing anything crazy today. I'm not like going out after this, so I feel like for a day look, this is really simple, easy. We use like 4 colors in the whole palette. So yeah, and then I'm going to show you what I would do on my lower lash line. Really, really simple and easy. So I'm going to throw on my mascara and I will be right back. But now I'm going to go back into the palette, and I am going to take, I have a specific brush I use for pretty much all of my under eye stuff, and it's just, it looks like, I got it in like an Amazon set. It just looks like this, and it just has a little point. It's like a fluffy brush with a point. So I am going to go into Unity, that white shade that we use the crap out of, and I'm just going to take Eden first, this pink shade that I used. I don't typically use shades on my lower lash that I didn't use in the eye look. I'm basically just replicating the matte shades. And then I am going to go into the shade Allure right here, that purple. And with that, I'm going to focus it really on the inner corner of the lower lash line. Kind of just mimicking what I did on the top. That's how I pretty much do all of my lower lash lines. I just mimic what I did on the top. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to throw on some eyeliner. I use the Marc Jacobs cream eyeliner gel pen thing. This is the only eyeliner I use. It's in every single description, link down below. It's going to be linked down below in this video. So this is like the one thing I tell everyone. I know it's expensive, but they need to buy it because it's like the best thing on the planet. And I am just going to, there we go. And yeah, that's how I would do my eye look with this palette. I hope you guys like this. I do have a palette collection video, so if you guys would like to kind of see any of those palettes, or I have like a what I got for Christmas haul, I have a palette collection video. If you guys want to look through that and tell me any palettes you would like to see a tutorial for, I would be so happy to do it for you. These tutorial Tuesday videos are probably going to be a little bit more mini, a little bit shorter, but I thought it would just be fun to throw in some extra content to my usual Monday, Wednesday, Friday uploads for people who do want to see some tutorials and do want to kind of know how I would do my eye makeup on the daily. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe, or just subscribe, or do either. I'm honestly so happy you're here watching me. I love you guys, and I will see you later. Bye!